friends, Scotty Richtrup here with MarineMax Sailandski in Austin, Texas, and this is a 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. This is a sports series. You know what I really love about this boat? Come on aboard, let me show you. The first thing I love about this boat is the 4-stroke, fuel-injected, 250 horsepower Mercury engine on back. Super fast, super fun. You know me, I always love my chase lounges. Forward-facing position on the seat back right now. Rear-facing, super easy with the touch of a hand. Down into sun-worshipping position. And you know, this is a sports series, so what I really love about this boat is this tower. Now this tower has an anchor point up above, and that's great for somebody who wants to do a little, you know, wakeboarding. Another thing I love about this boat, who doesn't love a little bit of a tabletop space here? Put your charcuterie board out there, have your drinks hanging out, and enjoy the day on the water. Friends, if you live and play in the Austin greater region, come by and see me. Or give me a call or text me at 830-220-0848. Or maybe, just maybe, I might see you at the lake.